This dry saw works well with these tiles, really because it has a vacuum. Some tips about using it is that this guard, sometimes when the tiles are set like that, won't move up. It'll get stuck. So you gotta just kind of lift it with your finger. Another thing is when you have a mark on a tile, for instance, this is your mark. If you put the laser on that mark, it is going to cut to this side of that. So when you get to it, you have to pay attention that it's going to cut to the side of the mark. The other thing you can do with this saw is it has a stop position here. You can push it down, stop it, cut your tiles. You can pull this pin out, lift it up about 1/2 to 3/4. Then you can take this tile and you can buzz right through the center of it to get your gap. You do have to hold on to it. Yes, it will yank it just like a saw, and you can cut into it like this, and the vacuum will suck the dust up. You do have to manage your area, so keeping a bucket nearby for scraps works well. You can also store your little pieces back here if you're just working the 4-inch tile. So setting this area up works well, but the dry saw will help because it can work as a grinder as well as a saw in lieu of the wet saw. So hopefully this helps. One thing that would be needed is to put some ram board from this doorway to the ram board. That way you can keep it clean. So just a little bit more setup. This door handle won't get as vinyl, so it won't get as nasty, but just a little help in the setup. I'm going to leave this saw here so you guys can use it, and I want to see how well you do tomorrow with it. So I'll send this video to both of you so you can understand. It does have up here, when you turn it on, it has 3 lights, and what those lights are is that if you run a tile into it, you'll watch it. If you try to go too hard, it will show that the vacuum is working too hard, such as red. The vacuum just can't keep up, and it also means you put too much pressure on the tile. So you want to keep it in the green yellow range, and that'll make everything work better. It's a dry saw, so it doesn't require any water, and it can manage the dust for the most part. You will end up with pieces. These need to be blown off. Generally I would set it up on a tarp, but because I was working this evening and want to be able to show what is capable with this tile in a couple hours, that's why I have done this.